In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Trello with Google Calendar, providing a full guide that's up to date for 2025. This step-by-step process will help you seamlessly integrate your Trello board with Google Calendar, making it easier to manage your tasks and schedule in one place. So, let's dive in and get started. First, we'll begin by heading over to your Trello board. Make sure you're logged in and on the correct board that you wish to integrate with Google Calendar. Once you're there, we'll look to the menu bar on the right side of the screen. Here you'll find an option that says Power-Ups. Go ahead and click on that. After selecting Power-Ups, you'll be presented with an option that says Add Power-Ups. Click on this button, which will open a window displaying a variety of available power-ups that you can integrate with your Trello board. Now, within that window, you'll see a search bar. Let's type Google Calendar into the search bar. This will bring up the Google Calendar Sync Power-Up. Once you see it, click on it. You should then see a button that says Add. Click on that to add the Google Calendar Sync to your board. Having done that, you'll notice another prompt to add it once more. Go ahead and click Add again. This ensures that the power-up is fully added to your board and ready for configuration. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Settings option for the Google Calendar power-up. This is crucial for the next steps where we connect your Trello board with your Google account. In the settings, you will find an option that says Authorize Account. Click on it. Following this, another window will prompt you to click Authorize. By doing so, you'll connect your Google account to Trello, which allows Trello to sync tasks as events on your Google Calendar. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account you want to use for this synchronization, as this will determine where your Trello cards will appear in your Google Calendar. Once your account is authorized, you'll be given a choice between two options related to how the syncing works. Choose the option that best suits your needs. For instance, whether you want all cards to sync or only those with due dates. Finally, click on Start to begin the sync process. Your Trello board and Google Calendar will now be linked, and you should start seeing your Trello tasks in your calendar as events, keeping you organized and up to date at all times. And that's it. You've successfully synced Trello with Google Calendar, making your task management even more efficient. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.